Hello and welcome to a quick rundown of Artwork Archive's latest release, which is the Revenue and Expense Tracking feature. While we've always provided a way for you to track and record sales-related information, we felt it would benefit everyone to paint a more comprehensive financial picture. We understand that the sale of your work isn't the only source of revenue for many artists. You've got grants, commissions, income from workshops, and a number of other sources. We also know that expenses are every bit as important for you to track, so you have a clear picture of how your business is performing over time. Our new revenue and expense tracking feature is built to provide you the tools you need to have a better understanding of the financial aspects of your business. So let's take a quick look. Before we jump into this, for those of you already familiar with Artwork Archive, nothing has changed with our existing sales and donation tracker. You still have the ability to go into a work, register a sale with all of the information you need, generate invoices, and all the great functionality you had before. What I want to focus on today is what's new. So in addition to tracking those sales, now you can also track the other forms of revenue. So if I click on New on the income page and choose Other Revenue, you'll see that I'll be able to enter a short description. So if I was a commission, I could enter that information, the date, the amount, the category, in this case, I'm talking about a commission, a short memo with details, and I can also log who I received payment from. So if it's an individual, you can browse to that contact. If it's a business, you can create a new contact for that business. And then I save it here, and it appears on my income page, which is the overview. I can do the same exact thing with an expense by clicking New here, choosing expense, and going through the same motions I went through with revenue. The difference here is the categories are a little different for expenses, but the same principles apply. I click Save, and I go back to this general income overview. So when I return to this main page, you're going to see that all of the entries are here. And I can look at all my revenue and expenses in a general overview. I can drill down to see specific sales and donations if I'm only focused on the sale of my work. Or I can go back, use the filter system, and get really specific with date ranges. Say I only wanted to see things for 2018, or I only want to see a particular type, or let's say I want to see business I've done with Blick for this particular year. As I said earlier, the goal here is to give you a more comprehensive financial overview so you can better understand your business and make informed choices. One of the side benefits to this release is the fact that it can also save a great deal of time when it comes to accounting, as we've built in the ability to export reports at the click of a button that can be used for tax season and imported into the most commonly used account programs. So you can see that right here under Reports. One last thing I want to mention is that in addition to all the helpful reports, some of this information can also be seen on your Insights page, which I will show you here, that can help you get a better visual of your sales and production over time. So this is really where you can go to for looking for more data-driven approach and some visuals on how you're spending, how you're producing, how you're selling, and it's just kind of one other addition to this new feature. So thank you so much for taking the time to check out this new feature, and as always, please feel free to reach out with any questions you have. Thanks and have a great day.